All right, guys. So we're on the next slide, the next phase, and I want to apologize for the last phase. I was saying that it was phase one, sports investing 101, or the basics of sports investing. However, this phase is called the successful investor mindset. So phase one is successful investor mindset. Once again, sports investing 101, the profit winning blueprint, guys. I'm really excited, very passionate about this information. And this is the successful investor mindset is just a mindset that you gotta have to profit in this life, and to think successful. The Bible says, "As a man thinketh, so is he." So you wanna be in a successful mindset before you even go into any type of profit making opportunities. You want to have the right mindset. So let's get into it. So number one, mindset shift number one. Money is all around me. So let's stop telling ourselves money is locked up in a vault. Rich people have a cage around money. The recession has made it hard for the little guy to make a living. All these things are just things that hinder us from pushing forward. The truth is, money is all around us. It's being spent and earned every day, around the clock, nonstop. When you're asleep, money is being spent and made. Being in this digital age and online purchases, people are spending money, guys. Now, the statistics show that consumers are spending more money now than ever because there are so many things that offer value for us in our lives. And so that leads me to the next mindset shift. Money is just an idea away. I like this one. So, a lot of these mindset shifts I got from other mentors, and I like to reverb them. In other words, repeat them. That's what great mentorship is all about. It's just really reverbing what is solid, what is wise, what is that's honorable, something that really makes sense. So money is just an ideal way. Everywhere you turn, you're seeing companies who have a product or service that solves a problem, relieves pain, and adds pleasure to their customers' lives. You know what I'm saying? So it's just that simple. You want money, create something that solves a problem, adds pleasure, and reduces pain. Now, some of the greatest products were created by entrepreneurs who experienced some type of pain, and they took those lemons and turned them into lemonade. And they became the spokesperson for people like them that experience that type of pain. So that's how a lot of $1 million products are made, is because they figured out, man, this is painful, man. This is an issue. Let's fix this problem. And I'm sure others have this problem too. We can create a product and sell it to them, and that way they actually now benefit from it. And you know what they say, your greatest passion comes from your greatest pain. So in speaking about the Game Time Gurus, we experience, being a part of sports pick services, winning and losing with these services, people saying, hey man, we got a lock pick, but it's not a lock pick. We're losing money. So, in that situation, being conned into, going with a service that, said, hey, we work off commission, but found out they were working with the sports books, later on down the line. So we've experienced that type of pain. Me and my companion, my brother that works with me alongside of the Game Time Gurus. And so we wanted to create an elite pick service where our clients actually made money. You know what I'm saying? Because we have experienced sports pick services that didn't meet our financial goals, guys. So that's why we're here today. That's why you're, partaking of this training, because we're creating a product of value, which leads me to my next mindset shift. Mindset shift number 3. Money is just an exchange of value. So it's really just an idea. If I have in my hand what you need and you got money and what you need is valuable to you, then money is not an object, right? So when I first started this entrepreneur journey, a mentor of mine told me, say, if you want people to chase you down with their money, create something that offers more user end, than you are asking for in cash value, and you'll never be broke. You see what I'm saying? So basically, I got a product that is giving you more value on the user end than I'm asking you for cash. So now, you just want that? Okay, I'll pay that for that, right? So you see, it's really that simple. The golden rule to any enterprise moving forward, and that's to create win-win situations. You ask any businessman, any business mentor, what would be one of the golden rules? I guarantee you they're gonna say, "Hey, man, see if you can create a win-win situation." Because if you create a win-win situation, then you're gonna the person that your customer is gonna be happy, and you're gonna be happy. And I know we've always heard, we all heard the somebody say money is not an object, right? And it's because what they're receiving from spending the money offers more value to them on the user end. So that's what the Game Time Gurus want to do. We want to make our clients money so that our monthly membership costs will seem small compared to your bankroll and your income growth. All right. And then mindset shift number 4. This is the last mindset shift, and we're going to move on to the basics of sports investing. But destroy self-doubt. Don't ask why me, why now, and why sports investing, right? So don't ask why me, why not you? God made you unique. He loves you, just like all his children, guys. Our Creator made us to shine. So once again, I ask you, why not you, right? Don't ask why now. Why now? Why not now? Yesterday is gone. We can't do anything about spilled milk. We can't do anything about the good of yesterday or the bad of yesterday. Tomorrow is not promised. We don't know if we're going to make it out this day. All we have is right now. So if we take action today, and we'll be where we want to be in the future. So why not now? Destroy that procrastination. And don't ask why sports investing. Well, if you're asking that, then maybe it's that you're not supposed to be here. Because if you're an avid fan of sports, I say, why not sports investing, right? It's something you're passionate about, right? You can create a solid income, which we're going to show you, and it's going to be undeniable when you see it live, right? And you have mentors. You got people to show you. You got big brothers to show you the way. We want to be those. We want to be that big brother to show you the way and start getting you in a position to make profits for your family, for your friends, and for yourself. So, guys, this wraps this phase out. I'm glad you guys are joining me in this training. I'm so excited, guys. You just don't know. The value in this training is beyond measure. And we're going to go ahead and go to the next phase. But I just want you to keep your mind open. We're getting ready to break down the sports books. We're getting ready to break down the lines. We're getting ready to break down the totals. And we're going to show you how to win in this game. God bless you again. Once again, Tony Johnson, Game Time Gurus. See you in the next phase. God bless you guys. I'm going to go ahead and minimize my screen and end this video. See you in the next phase. Remember, devour this training, guys. You're going to love all the information. It's valuable, and you're going to have something to work with when you get started with us. God bless you guys.